Hey everyone, welcome back to our new Arabic lesson. It's Fatima here, your favorite Arabic teacher. I'm here to teach you Arabic in an easy way. Today we're going to learn 10 expressions you will hear in every Arabic TV shows. So if you're interested in learning Arabic, don't forget to subscribe to your channel. Stay with me and let's start. هلا ومرحبا. Hello wa marhaban. Hi and hello. Guys, in Arabic dialects, especially in Iraqi dialects, when we want to say how are you, we say shlunek. Shlunek, we use it to male. What about to a female? We say shlunich. Shlunich. For response, we say zain alhamdulillah. Zain alhamdulillah. Zain means fine. Alhamdulillah, thank God. Zain alhamdulillah. Or you can say ibkhair alhamdulillah. Ibkhair alhamdulillah. Ibkhair also means I'm fine. So in Arabic, when we want to say thank God, we say alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah. Again, alhamdulillah. And now we want to ask the other person, how are you? We ask وأنت شلونك? وأنت شلونك? And how are you? and أنت you. شلونك? How are you? وأنت شلونك? Listen again. Now let's have a conversation. هلا ومرحبا. مرحبا. شلونك؟ بخير الحمد لله. وأنت شلونك؟ أنا هم زين الحمد لله. I'm also fine. أنا I هم also, or you can say too. بخير fine. أنا هم بخير, or you can say أنا هم بخير. أنا هم زين. Alright guys. ما الأخبار? ما الأخبار? What's the news? ما الأخبار? Now we want to say nothing new, no news. We say ماشي ماكو خبر. ماشي ماكو خبر. ماشي literally means nothing. ماكو خبر, there is no news. ماشي ماكو خبر. شخبارك. شخبارك. Or you can say شخبارك. 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 It means how have you been? شخبارك. سلامتك. 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 Guys, سلامتك literally means your health. سلامة, health. سلامتك, your health. But it means bless you, or you can say I hope you're well. سلامتك. شكو ماكو. شكو ماكو. What's going on? What's up? شكو means what's happening. ماكو means there's nothing. شو تسوي ما تسوي? شو تسوي ما تسوي? Again, شو تسوي ما تسوي? What are you doing? Or you can say what do you do? شو تسوي means what are you doing? ما تسوي means you are not doing. You didn't have to cut me off. Arabic is really easy. أسوي شيء. ما أسوي شيء. Or you can say ما أسوي شيء. I'm not doing anything, or I do nothing. ما, not or don't. أسوي, I'm doing, or you can say I do. ما أسوي, I'm not doing, or I don't do. شيء, anything or something. ما أسوي شيء, I'm not doing anything. Guys, in Arabic, when a man wants to say I'm busy, he says أنا مشغول. أنا مشغول, or you can say مشغول. What about a woman? She says مشغولة. مشغولة. مشغول. مشغولة. Okay guys, our lesson has finished. If you have any questions about this lesson, please ask me in comment section. I'm gonna answer all of your questions. Bye!